All right, all right. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us, guys. Hey, Aaron. Hey, work less, earn more. Oh, that's a nice name. Hey, Elena, how are you?
Hi, Nick. Hi, everyone. Great. Ready for another hangout here live.
Awesome. Yeah, we got Thanksgiving coming up. That's actually the first thing we're going to be talking about today. Remember, guys, tomorrow, that's Thursday the 27th and Friday the 28th, we have Thanksgiving. That means market closes a little bit earlier. The time that you're seeing on screen, that's the CME official website. On Thursday, this is Central Time, by the way, we're going to be closing at 12 p.m., so midday close. And markets open normally at 5 p.m. Central Time. And then on Friday, they're going to have pretty much the same early close. That's at 12:15. Again, 12:15 p.m. Central Time. So, very in a open trade, be sure that you manage your position accordingly, because you don't want to get stuck with that with the trade open, right? Because you won't be able to close the position, modify the stop loss, anything like that. So be sure to be on the lookout for that, right? So what else? We had this week, we had a few news today. The unemployment claims, nothing really happened, right? It has been a less volatile week than last week. News-wise, it hasn't been too crazy at all. But what do we have, Elena, for next week, actually?
Well, for next week, we usually have like the most important NFP report on the first Friday of each month of the first week, but there is an exception for next week because of the US government shutdown. This report release changed a bit, so it will be reported on December 16th. And usually instead of one, it will be a double report for October and November data. So it will be pretty important.
Oh, yeah.
However, next week we have employment cost index at 8:30 a.m. On Monday, December 1st, then 10 a.m. the manufacturing PMI. Then Tuesday we have no news. On Wednesday, again, ISM services PMI and ADP non-farm employment change. For Thursday, there is like the employment claims again at 8:30 a.m. And on Friday, the core PCE price index and the consumer sentiment, like the preliminary UOM reports and expectations.
Perfect. All right. So this week has been fairly slow compared to the previous one. Next week, we don't see anything crazy, at least news-wise. It should be NFP week, but like Elena said, they're modifying a few news releases, so good to know when that's going to happen. So that's we'll see how the market reacts to not having NFP on the first Friday of the month. Now, moving on to earning reports. These are the companies that are going to be showcasing their earning reports for next week. Again, I don't see anything that's going to, affect NQ, for example, too much. So I wouldn't expect any crazy moves like we had last week with NVIDIA, with I think it was like a 150-point move on the Q in 1 minute. So, that's pretty volatile right there. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything that's going to move the market too much. So we'll move on to a few charts. You can watch our Monday video. Key levels we just hit one. So we're going to move right on to that, guys. Just give me 1 second here. So this is a daily chart for the NQ. These two horizontal lines that I have here are the levels that we talked about on Monday's video. We didn't reach down all the way after the drop on Thursday to the ones that I had over here, but we did just take out the high that Thursday made, this high right here, right? Now, what do I see? At least, we're going to get some type of rejection, but we're going on to the weekend. We're going on to 2 holidays. So I don't think it's going to, be too much of a crazy reaction, to be honest. So maybe, we just continue going higher from here, I would say.
Yeah, like the weekly, it's still, if you go to the weekly, it's still...
Oh, yeah, I can do that.
It's still up. It's still...
There you go. Oh, yeah, this thing is going to the, all-time highs. We're all-time highs. Oh, yeah. We're what? We are 1,000 points from all-time high. Yeah, we can make that easy on December. Yeah,
it will be interesting next month.
Exactly. December, I think it's going to be, pretty, like, we have news coming back. We have, I was seeing a few earning reports for December, but it's definitely going to be more volatile. Like the end of November was, I don't know if you guys watched the VIX, but that's the index for the volatility on the NASDAQ. And just to give you an idea, right now we're at 19 points. And on Thursday, we had 30 something, right? That's why we saw a 1,200 point drop from the high of the day. And if you go back to COVID numbers, we were trading at 80, 60 points of volatility. So what we saw at the end of November and last week, those are pretty high volatility. Like if you enter a trade, you're up 10 points after you hit like buy market or sell market, right? So I would definitely, I always say the same thing. I am kind of like more of a conservative trader. Size down if you need to. Go to micros if you're trading NQ for some reason. Like risk, manage it accordingly. I think it's way better to just stay alive in this type of market conditions. Volatility will always come down eventually. So it's more important for you to survive with your account rather than just, trying to catch that huge $200, 200 point drop, because you saw somebody else catching it, right? But that's my personality to the markets. I don't know about you, Elena. Are you more of a grab the whole move, or you take your precaution?
No, I was maybe the first few years, but one evolves a bit and learns how to just stay away in especially these environments when sometimes it's a bit uncertain or some weeks. So I prefer to see like maybe clearer direction after the news, because after the news it's more clear, and many traders, they just wait for these news releases and then decide.
Yeah, exactly, 100%. Okay, what else? We got the ES here. This is a 1 hour chart. You can see we're pretty bullish over here. After the drop on Thursday, market kind of like consolidated on Friday. You can see it over here, and I believe just they've been accumulating orders, kind of go up. They go up, consolidate a little bit, go up, consolidate a little bit, and then kind of like doing the same here.
Yeah, they're usually correlated.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. You just see a few tiny differences between the ES. Maybe it takes the high, maybe the NQ doesn't take the high, but definitely both are bullish. I would be expecting kind of just NQ the next few weeks, kind of like maybe aim for previous all-time highs. Are these all-time highs? Yeah, right. Yeah, they are. Yeah. And what else we got going on gold? I don't know if you trade gold, Elena.
No, to be honest,
No?
I'm more of indexes.
Perfect. Yeah, I like. I've been getting into gold on the Asian session actually. You had with the increase of volatility also affecting gold recently, since everybody's supposedly trying to. I don't know if you saw that there was a picture of people lining up to buy gold after it hit all-time highs.
Oh no,
And
no.
yeah, like, I saw a picture outside of these stores that you can buy like physical gold.
Mhm.
There were people lining up just to buy it after they saw the news that it hit all-time
Right
highs.
at the highs, yeah.
Like, that's literally the worst time to go buy it. Like, come on.
Yeah.
Like, go buy it before, wait for a retracement or something. But all-time highs might be the worst time to buy it, at least for gold. But at least last week didn't affect too much volatility-wise on gold. Thursday wasn't as such of a crazy day, but we're still seeing kind of like the same trend here. After Friday was a little bit of accumulation in more of a kind of like bullish trend in a sense. Same thing, a bit more accumulation here, and just kind of like trying to go up. Gold does whatever it wants. I can take you out in a minute. So
Okay.
definitely another instrument to take care of. Sorry, Luna?
Yeah, no, sorry. I mean, I've noticed that it had really long bullish run lately, the gold, but I don't want to. It's too much already.
I mean, yeah, like it's used as when everybody's panicking and everybody's selling the NQ, gold usually should be
go
going up.
Gold.
Exactly. But yeah, everybody just buying physical gold at the ultra highs kind of makes it go a little bit more bullish. Definitely. Is there any? Let me just see a few comments here. Do we have anything going on, Elena, for a little sale? Maybe something that just went live?
Yes, we have right now, like at 12 p.m., starting 12 p.m., we have a flash sale for the 25K bundle account for only $9.19. So it will be live until 5 p.m. Eastern time. So each bundle has 5 practice accounts, and traditional edge enhancers are available after checkout for a reduced fee for qualifying one day and for the 60% of the reset fee. And
so just the code MK70UG,
yes,
right?
Yes, that's the code.
Okay, I'm putting that on the chat so you guys can just easily copy it right away. Remember, like Elena said, 25K accounts in that per bundle. Yeah, that's a nice deal. So, Elena, before I forget, how long do the bundles last?
They expire 30 days after the purchase.
Okay, so if I buy one now, pretty much I'll have until Christmas.
Yes, exactly.
Absolute Zero Trading is asking, is there a way for you to check the edge enhancers available for the sale?
Yeah, the edge enhancers available are the no minimum days to qualify.
So that's one trading day you can qualify. That's the one.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
The reduced PA fee, instead of paying 250, you pay 119.
Perfect.
And the edge enhancers for the 60% of the reset fee. So those 3 are available for this bundle account sale.
Perfect. Awesome. All right. I don't know if anybody has any other questions. Remember the holidays, guys. Markets are going to be closed again, like we just talked about. That's an early close tomorrow. I believe last time we had this type of holidays, like 2 in a row, when the markets kind of closed Thursday and Friday. Usually the first day, I believe it just closes earlier, but has like pretty normal, regular volume. And then Friday, it's kind of like that day that has no volume at all. It's pretty much dead. I mean, NQ still going to move a few points here and there, but it's more towards like just low volume. So I usually stay away from those days because my setups.
Yes.
Yeah, your setups usually are just not showing up normally, right? Not the same participants in the market, pretty much.
Yeah. So it's like the best time to just rest a bit from
Oh
the
yeah,
work.
exactly. Yeah, definitely.
And also to mention to be grateful for the holiday and to be thankful for everything, like for trading, for our traders, for
Exactly, and also
Mhm.
the team is still taking your tickets if you send any over Thanksgiving. So I would also thank the team, for sticking around for Thanksgiving to answer any questions or any issues that you guys might have. All right. So with that, we'll let you go. Thank you for joining us
Thank you.
On this this Wednesday stream. Feels like a Friday, right? Because the market's going to be closed pretty
Yeah.
much tomorrow on Friday. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Be sure that you take advantage of the this flash sale. It lasts for a few more hours, so until 5 p.m. And yeah, be sure you take advantage of it. Thank you everybody for joining us, and
Thank
have
you.
a happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you, everyone. Have a happy holidays.
Bye bye.